Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
We're off to the Rangataiki River today to get 3 traditional geocaches and an earth cache. And there's some really interesting boulders to see.
You come with us.
The drive through the countryside will take us about an hour from Fielding. We cross the Rangataiki River and drive on to find the sheep farm with its strange boulders. It looks like a narrow gravel road for the rest of the journey. Just our luck, blind corners but a great view. Keep your eyes on the road, Rick.
Arrived.
Wow, what an amazing view. Incredible.
Now, where is this cache? Can you see it?
Oh yeah. Okay, sign the log.
Rain clouds about. I'm glad we brought our rain jackets. Now where's that second cache?
Right, here it is. Just where it said it was going to be. Okay, we'll sign it and drop our path tag off.
We went in to pay our $5 per person entrance fee.
Look down there, it's a wonderful view, and the boulders where we'll be going to, just down the bottom.
A rare geocaching hazard. The path is well marked with these orange triangles. Let's fly the drone up to see what the landscape here really looks like.
Now down the path to the river. We're heading to the clump of trees on the bend in the river. Hoods up as the rain hits.
Just along here a little further. Not far to go now. Okay, we're at the Whitecliffs Boulders earth cache and we have to take the elevation here. So just using the compass on our iPhone, and it gives us the elevation. So we can record that and claim the cache.
Let's see if we can get a view of the boulders from above. Oh, the canopy's just too thick here.
Our first mudstone cannonball concretion, one of the boulders.
What a pretty green. Look at that, all the moss on it. How big.
Here's one with a plant growing out of a crack.
Oh, look how round they are. It's circular.
Lots of strange shapes about.
Look at it, this one's split in half. Amazing, isn't it?
Look at this. I love the colours. They're beautiful.
Yeah, the green is really lovely, isn't it?
Oh, look at this one. Got a lovely covering of moss. Beautiful.
These mudstone concretions were formed when an animal or plant died. The remains became embedded in sediments deposited on the bottom of the sea. The decaying organic matter released calcium, which reacted to form the mineral calcite. The calcite seeps out through the sediment, cementing the mud particles together. As soon as the formation of calcite stopped, the growth of the concretion stopped, forming a sharp contact between the concretion and the surrounding sediment. This happened quickly, forming the hard, compact concretion around the fossil. Erosion removed the softer sediment, leaving the weathering resistant spherical concretion intact.
Through the middle. Woo! What a lovely spot just to sit and relax.
Nice place to have a drink or have your lunch.
Then we measured a large boulder as part of claiming the earth cache.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to measure the circumference now. Let's see how far around it is.
Here he comes. Woohoo!
Oh, tape measure makes
Right.
it. Okay, 6 meters, 940. Wow, that's pretty big.
That is big.
Let's head out of the bush to find the last geocache.
Just can't see it anywhere.
We say goodbye to the Rangataiki River and begin the steep walk back to the car.
Well, that brings us to the end of our cache walk. We hope you like those cannonball concretions, the Whitecliffs Boulders. It's a magical place with all these strange shapes around you. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.